In this video, we are going to see some basic introduction of the function. What does it mean? So the function is nothing but input, relation and output. We will give some input to the function and it is related by something for which it gives some output. We can understand this better by the example. If we are driving a car, so we apply a brake to the speed. The force we are applied, it helps in stopping the car. So here basically the input we are giving is force and the output we are getting is we are stopping the speed of a car. So here the relation is brake, we are braking the speed. And another example we can say that similarly we are applying the force to the accelerator, which in turn increases the speed of the car. So here the relation is accelerator, input is force and the output is race. So next we are going to see the basic necessities for the function. So first we are going to discuss is Cartesian product. Here the Cartesian product is A cross B is equal to A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. This looks like hard, but it is not hard. We can understand it better by the example. So here let us suppose that there are two functions A and B, where A is defined as 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is defined as A comma B. So we will get the Cartesian product of A and B called as A cross B is equal to each element of A multiplied with each element of B. So we will get 1 comma A, 2 comma A and so on up to 4 comma A, and after that 1 comma B, 2 comma B, 3 comma B, 4 comma B. So this is the Cartesian product of the function. So next we are discussing the ordered pair. Ordered pair is very simple. If we write 2 comma 3, then that means 2 comma 3 only. It doesn't mean 3 comma 2. We can understand this by 2 comma 3 if it is x comma y. X and y are not interchangeable. For example, you can see in complex number 2 plus 3i, here 2 comma 3 are defined at their own places. We can't replace 3 comma 2. If we change, the whole meaning of the question changes. So we will now see the basic definition of the function. What is the function? What are the rules of the functions? So the definition of the function is we have some input values here, the set A, and the output values here set B. Each element of A maps individually to each element of B. The rules here is A should have a unique image in B. So we can write this mathematically as f of A is equal to 1, f of B is equal to 2, f of C is equal to 3. Here f is the relation between A and B, and A is input, B is output. And there are some other namings also which we can see here. A is also called preimage, argument or input, and B is also called as output or mirror image. There are some rules here like that if A cannot map to 1, at the same time cannot map to 2, whereas A and B can both map to 1. We will better understand this in the next video.